That's fish.
Oh, really? Need a net?
Hey, fishing friends, welcome back to eFishin. I'm Rodney, and today, well, I've got Dean in the boat, and we're down here on Dale Hollow. It's a warm February day, and we're out down here. We're going to chase after some bass today, so y'all hang on. Let's go fishing. I got a hold of it.
Got one?
I don't know what I got. Oh, stick. It comes straight up.
Oh, you throwing still buddy now?
Yeah, it comes straight up. That's fish.
Oh, really? Need a net?
I don't know.
Get there.
Oh, large head.
Dang, look at that. It's a good one, too.
How about that?
There you go.
Ooh, back there. Back there. How about that?
That's a nice little fish.
Nice little largemouth first thing this morning. Oh, my Lord, Dean.
What?
All the fish.
Let's see what we got down there. I'll find out. Oh, God. They down there on the brush pile?
No.
Or just down there?
They're just down there.
Let's see if they like this. Little concoction we got. We're at. So throw straight out.
Yeah, they're under the boat too. They're everywhere down there.
See if I can see that go down. There it goes.
You gotta let it go though.
Going right on them too, ain't I? Should be right on top of them here in a minute. About a half hour. Is that a tree down there? What is that?
It's a tree or a rock or something. It might be a tree.
I don't want to get too tangled up in it. Oh, I'm right in front of him. Come on, buddy.
It's all it's still. They're looking at it.
Got this one big blip coming.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, buddy. I'm putting it right in front of you here in just a second. You guys are right there. That's right.
If they ain't hit it by now, they ain't gonna hit it.
There he is.
You got it?
He got it.
Did you really?
Yep.
How about that?
Yes, sir. He nailed it.
goodness.
That worked. Look at that, buddy.
Good in there.
Another good. By golly, that worked.
Show him to the
Yes,
camera there.
sir. Looky there.
Oh Lord, you got it all hung up everywhere. You got too many hooks.
That's perfect.
There you go. Show him up to the world. Been down there.
A nice largemouth to start the day off.
Hold your fish up there like you mean it. All right.
Nice fish.
Yeah. 2.5, 3.
Dang, what that is in there rolling.
Had one. Come up and nipped it. One of them's got to eat it. There's like 4 of them looking at it.
If it was a shiner, it'd been automatic, you know what?
Oh, I know it. There we go.
Got him?
Yep.
You need a net?
Yep. Oh, that's a good. Another largemouth.
Another largemouth. Good fish.
How about that?
Yes, sir. He had to look at it a little while before he thought about it, didn't he?
Well, him and 3 of his buddies were looking at it.
I think that's a key too. I think once one of them gets a little bit excited.
See what's in that fish's mouth? Old silver buddy. Dale Hollow. Late winter, February, you can't beat it. Oh, where'd the pliers go?
There.
You got your camera there?
Yep.
Probably ought to get me a good
Somewhere.
fish picture.
Right there.
He ain't a real big one, but he's a nice
They're
fish.
nice fish. They're healthy fish.
I just want to get a little bit of the sign on it.
Turn him a little bit. There you go. The other way. Yeah. Yep. Yep.
All right, here he goes. There's one.
Got another one?
Yep.
Oh, dang.
I can swing. I'll swing. Nope.
That's small.
That's smallmouth. All right, you ready?
There you go. Sure enough. Oh, you're gonna make
There
me,
we go.
You're going to make me put a
I
silver.
told you, Dean, you need to put the silver buddy on. There's another one. Old silver buddy in it.
I'll throw his fly. I'll throw the fly just a little bit longer. He was in there.
He was in there a little bit. That's a decent smallmouth too. Look at that thing. Woo!
All right, snipe action.
Huh?
Here I come. Where they at?
I don't know. Go look for them.
Oh, there's something right there.
It's a stick right there.
Oh, there's a fish right there.
You just run that right there, and I'll play back here. You can play with that, and then you're going to decide you want to get one.
Right there he is.
Huh?
Gonna find me though.
Now, just keep in mind that some of that
See it
is,
right there?
Yeah, that's it.
That's a
fish.
fish.
Yeah.
No, it's out in front of me though.
Like if it's flashing on there, that's just sonar returns.
There we go.
You see it?
I see my bait now.
He's getting addicted to the active target, y'all. He's gonna buy one before too long. Good Lord have mercy. There's a pile right there.
Do what?
There's a pile of them right there.
Fish or bait?
Yeah. Fish.
Good Lord, that's deep.
Well, it's 15 right here. I gotta quit. I gotta quit.
Huh?
Gotta quit. Gotta drop it down there, and if they want it, still got your jig on?
Yeah. I'm gonna.
There we go.
Got him?
Yep.
Need a net?
Maybe. Largemouth. Oh.
Looks pretty good. Another largemouth.
There we go.
Dang, look at the color on that fish.
That's a pretty one there.
Hey, boy, what about that?
About that.
That's a pretty fish.
Got the little old gulp minnow in there. Pound and a half or two. Not bad.
Here you go.
Oh.
Got a good color. I'm gonna get a picture of him.
That guy?
Yep, that's a good one.
There we go.
Yep, that's a pretty fish right there.
There's fish.
Got him? Come off?
He come off.
There's fish.
Got it?
Yep. Yep, that's good.
Good.
That's good. Smallmouth? I think it's a smallmouth. Yeah, that's good.
Yep.
That's good.
Oh, you missed him. In there.
Good
Oh. Turn show the world. Oh, I missed the camera. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go.
Nice little fish. Nice little fish.
Show them off there.
Nice
There
little
you go.
smallmouth.
Well, guys, that's going to be a wrap. I think we ended up with 7 today. Kind of started off with a bang this morning and got a couple this afternoon. But, you know, that's how it is. That's fishing. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Rodney, eFishin. Catch y'all out here later. We're gone.